You have no regard for family values. Do not spread your disease to any of us.
Don't speak to wife like that.
Hey, then keep your wife under control.
Our wife is not possessed to be controlled.
Also, this is the genesis of the disgusting rumor accompanying the video. Now people think we're in financial crisis due to the grants of President TV.
There will be no need for that. They're experiencing some financial setbacks.
What?
Season's greetings to everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Talk with Fresh, and today I bring you guys another new movie. Now, the name of this movie is Christmas on a Budget. Okay. Now, this movie is starring Eso Dike, Shaun from Big Brother, Cynthia Clarke, Patrick Doyle, Ayo Adesanya, Ruby Okozie Ejiro, alongside other amazing cast and crew. Okay, guys, so this movie is an amazing movie. I can't fault this movie for practically anything. I don't see anything I fault this movie for. The storyline is beautiful, the cast, beautiful. I don't know how, I keep on thinking if I was to put out a movie, how do I handpick the crew, the cast, okay? And I don't know how they do it, but they picked the cast so beautifully. Now, this movie is about a family, let's say a top family in Lagos, okay? Everybody is looking forward to Christmas from this family. They are just like the Kardashians of Lagos, okay? So everybody's looking forward to what they would be doing for Christmas, okay? Because they always throw amazing parties, they always have amazing stuff to do during Christmas, okay? This is even carried by the press, so it's like a big thing to them. And it turns out that they are experiencing financial crisis. Obviously, their dad is in charge of the business, so the mom and the kids do not really know what goes on in the business. So now their accounts have been frozen and they are being investigated for tax evasion. And the man doesn't want to come out, the father doesn't want to come out and tell his wife and his kids that they're experiencing downtimes because he wants to obviously give them the good life. He has been through poverty with his wife before, and he knows that she doesn't like it. She doesn't like being poor, so he wants to keep up that facade to her. Okay, so he plans on just giving them the best Christmas he can give them. Then at the end of the day, he'll figure out the rest. And there were so many times in this movie whereby his wife will come to ask for money and he will look for stories to try to dissuade her from spending so much money. Even charities that organizations they would usually give so much money to, he always looked for stories to cut down on their budgets, cut down on this, cut down on that, because obviously they didn't have that money. And that part of the movie was very funny to watch. It was beautiful to watch. Okay. Now the sons come in with their wives for Christmas, and obviously, the first son is, I would usually say, the pressure that comes with being a first child is what is going on with the first son. He's a people pleaser. He wants to please his parents by all means, do things to please his parents, not minding the effect it has on his own family. Okay. Now, the second son is newly married. His wife is the nutcracker. She's not the typical wife that is expected of their family. She wants to work because they have a thing of in their family that the men do the work and the women just sit and enjoy the money. Well, this second wife is working and her husband is aware of it. He tries to hide it from his family and all that. And yeah, they just had to navigate through Christmas, and finally the family found out they were broke, and yeah, they actually had to do Christmas on a budget. But the beautiful thing about it was we saw that Christmas is not all about all the money, all the glitz, or the glamour. Christmas is really about family. Christmas is about love. Christmas is about sharing. Christmas has a lot, it has a lot of meaning to family, not just necessarily about spending money. You can have a nice Christmas without all that money. You can have a nice Christmas on a budget. And see, this movie should be watched by all Nigerians during this period because everybody's going through a hard time in Nigeria currently. The economy is not favorable. So what people would usually spend, they don't have such budgets for that anymore. So you should know that you can actually do Christmas on a budget and still have an amazing time. Okay, everybody should watch this movie. This movie is a must watch. You can watch this movie at Omoni Oboli TV. I give it to her. Whoever wrote this script, kudos to the person. And I really think that the Christmas movies they've been putting out has been amazing. Okay. Later I'm just going to bring a list of all the Christmas movies for you guys, and you guys can go watch it on your own time. Okay. Thank you. Bye.